Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use pointers. There are a few important operations which we will do very frequently. First, we define a pointer variable. Second, assign the address of a variable to a pointer. And third, finally access the value at the address available in the pointer variable. This is done by using unary operator asterisk that returns the value of the variable located at the address specified by its operand. So in order to understand this, I'll make an example so that you cannot get confused. In order to do that, we need a couple of variables. So int a, which is equals to 20. This is an actual variable. Now int star ip. This is a pointer variable declaration. Now ip is equals to ampersand a. This will store address of variable in pointer variable. Now printf address of a variable %x \n comma ampersand a. Now printf. So now printf address stored in ip variable %x \n comma ip. So address stored in pointer variable. This will print the address stored in pointer variable. This particular sentence will print address stored in pointer variable. Now to access the value using the pointer, printf value of %x \n comma pointer ip. So if we run this, I have to make some changes here. %d. So if we run this, we make that change because that will print the actual value of this, because this sentence denote int a equal to 20. That's why. And we use %x because here we need to get the address of the particular variable. So you can see address of a variable is 60 FE 8. Address stored in IP variable is same 60 FE 8 because this both address is equals to that address of A, and value of pointer IP variable is 20, which is A equal to 20. So I hope you understand how to use pointers. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.